Okay, and 58. Okay, boom, and media folder, go to, boom. Oh, so freaking tired.
Regular wireless bill, that's right, up to half, save some money. Consumer Cellular has budget-friendly plans starting at just $20 a month. Switching is very easy. You can keep your current number. Activation is free. The award-winning customer service team is 100% based right here in the U.S., and they're ready to help you find the flexible monthly plans that's right for you and even your entire family. With Consumer Cellular, you can add a line for just $15 a month per line, too. Go to consumercellular.com/Nori, and for a limited time, get $25 off your wireless bill when you use my name, promo code Nori. That's consumercellular.com/Nori. Use promo code Nori for $25 off. Promo code Nori, 25 off.
Go with your guts. Go with Dynamite. 70% of your dog's immune system is based in the gut. So for overall health, good nutrition is vital. But how can you be sure your dog is getting the nutrition they need? A diet lacking proper nutrients can present issues like itching, scratching, and a weak immune system. However, there is a solution. Created to boost your dog's overall health, and the reviews are incredible.
Poor Sam, he was a mess, always itching. Probably 2 weeks after he started Dynamite, I started to see improvements, and today 99% of his issues are non-existent.
Right now, try Dynamite for free. Just pay shipping and handling. Learn more at dynamite.com/radio. That's DINOVITE.com/radio.
Happier, healthier with every bite. Over 1 million pets helped with Dynamite.
Welcome back to Coast. George Nori with you. Viviana Chauvelli is an advanced Arcturian hybrid avatar, author, international public speaker, and creator of the Arcturian Energy Matrix Healing and the Arcturian Healing Arts Program, advocate for planetary evolution, and emissary for the Federation of Light, and the owner of Infinite Healing from the Stars LLC. Viviana is also the producer and co-host of the Infinite Star Connections podcast. She has more than 22 years of experience as a conscious interstellar voice channeler and dimensional holographic healer. In 2007, she went through a significant awakening, will have her tell us about that, and received her holographic and quantum healing training from the Arcturian Council. Viviana, welcome to the program.
Thank you so much, George. It is such an honor to be here with you tonight.
What exactly is the Arcturian group, the Council?
Arcturians are known as one of the most enlightened and intergalactic civilizations that's been interacting with the Earth for millions of years. Think of us this way: we are great mentors, teachers. Just to give you an idea, we come from the Buddha's constellation, which is approximately 36 light years from your solar system. It is known as the third brightest star in your sky, Arcturus, a beautiful star.
Did they come to you, or did you find them?
No, I am one of them. I am
You are
an
one?
Arcturian being.
So you're here on this planet. Can I simply say you're an extraterrestrial?
At the soul level, I am an Arcturian being. I simply embody this human hybrid template so I can do my work here on the planet.
At what point did they decide to send you here?
That is a fantastic question, George. It has been the making of a very long journey to able to perfect a vessel capable of sustaining my Octarian avatar self, and yet being able to function on this earth. So it took many generations to be able to stabilize the gene pool and create a perfect template of life, if you want. So imagine for a moment an advanced civilization capable of engineering a holograph using advanced light spectrum technology, and to make this hologram solid, real, with complete biological carbon-based internal organs, with complete unique being consciousness energy that will empower the template. In a nutshell, this is how they built my physical body.
What do they think of human beings, Vivian? What do you think of human beings?
We see human beings with so much potential. We see you as divine essence of light compressed in a physical form. We recognize who you are. We also recognize all the challenges that humanity has gone through for generations. Manipulations, restrictions, belief systems, historical timelines that has been dictating what you can do, what you're unable to do. We're here to simply help you remember the truth about who you are.
Is our planet a special planet based on what you know about the cosmos?
Okay. Oh, that's creepy. I don't even like